Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. Today we are once again reacting to the Rolling Stone magazine top 500 songs of all time. Today we're doing number 498. We've already done the first two. Brook Benton, Rainy Night in Georgia. This is from 1970. I've never heard this song before. I've never heard of Brook Benton before, so this one is going to be interesting. Remember, if there's anything you would like, I forgot there for a second what I say. If there's anything you would like me to react to next, please put it down in the comments below, and I'll make sure I get to it as soon as I possibly can. And please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. But without any further ado, let's just start with Brook Benton, Rainy Night in Georgia, live in 1982. Let's go. Cheers, everybody.
Hovering by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rains are falling. Seems I hear your voice calling. It's alright. A rainy night in Georgia, a rainy night in Georgia.
What a voice.
Lord, I believe it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over the world. Neon signs are flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. A distant moaning of a train seems to play a sad refrain to the night. A rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. Lord, I believe it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over the world. How many times I've wondered, it still comes out the same. 'Cause no matter how you look at it or think of it, it's life, and we all must play the game. Play the game.
He sings with so much soul. I'm just loving it.
I find me a place in a boxcar, so I take my guitar to pass some time. But late at night, when it's hard to rest, I hold your picture to my chest. Then I feel fine. I feel fine then. But it's a rainy night in Georgia. Baby, it's a rainy night in Georgia. Lord, I believe it's raining all over the world. Raining, 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 raining all over the world. Raining, 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 raining all over the world. Yes, raining over here, raining over there, raining over here, raining over there.
It's funny, I actually think it's raining today outside my apartment. So it is raining, 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 raining all over the world.
All over the world. Raining, 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 raining.
What a nice performance by this gentleman right here. Let's see some of the comments to see what people are saying, because I think he probably was a huge star. I don't know. Let's see. I back up Brook as his drummer in 1980 for wow, that's interesting. I back up Brook as his drummer in 1980 for 6 months and got to know him. In addition to being one of the greatest R&B singers of this time, he was an honest and wonderful person. This clip moved me, and I thank the poster. I was surprised at how my famous vocalist I had performed with since were influenced by him. I miss him. No lip sync, no auto-tune, no enhancement, just pure soul and talent. Exactly. One of the greatest and most underrated singers of all time. What a voice. This song gets to me every time I hear it. No one could sing like he did. Brook Benton was a defining example of suave. How I wish performers today could bring this level of class and talent back to the stage. I mean, there are a lot of good performers these days, but we always look back in time and say, "Oh, I wish people today would sound like in the past," and so on. But I think we just have to discover the new talents of today. There's a few that I don't particularly like, but there's a lot of talented ones. But I agree, there's something missing. I agree, there's something missing. When I was a child and teen, whenever it rained, the local radio station would play this song regardless of whether it was day or night. It brings such good memories of life in Georgia. Looking out the front door, watching the rain. Beautiful song, and just that much special to me because I live in Georgia. Oh, this man died too early. Oh no, when did he die? The man was indeed unto his own country and the world. Dear Java, Stanley, blah, 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 blah. I've never heard a song sung with so much emotion. Incredible. Alright, so that was number 498. So let's cross that off the list. Yes. Now it's crossed, and next time we're looking at this Rolling Stone magazine. We're doing 497 with Weezer, Buddy Holly in 1994. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, I guess that is it for today's video. Remember, if there's anything you would like me to react to next, please put it down in the comments below, and I'll make sure I get to it as soon as I possibly can. But without any further ado, thank you so much for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye.